Look at this YouTube channel, which is making informative facts about animals and making thousands of dollars. According to Social Blade, this channel is making around $130,000 per month. So can we make this amount of money per month? Yes, we can. For that, you should follow my steps that I will teach you in this video. You haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, so just click on that subscribe button and join the video till the end. Open any browser and search for Fliki. After you come to this site, you should sign in first. Once you have signed into Fliki, click on this new file and select your language and set a project name to it and click on submit. Now we should do some basic settings first, so click on this settings and set a duration gap of each clip and select what kind of video that you are doing and click on save. To create our video, click on this convert and select idea to video. And here you should type what is your video about. So I am typing this. And from here we can select whether our video is short or long. And from here we can select the style. I am selecting explainer and click on submit. And this might take some time to generate your videos. After it has generated your videos, you can look a preview. And we can change the voiceover from here. After you have selected the voiceover, you can look a preview. And you can change the video clips by clicking on this auto pick. If you cannot find a proper video from that option, you can click on the video preview and search your video and import it to your project manually for all the scene. After you have done creating the scene, you can adjust. Where would you like to keep the captions and their color and fonts from here? After you have satisfied with your video, now it's time to add background music. For that, you can click here to add free background music to upload to your video. Now it's time to export your videos. For that, click on this download and click on start export, and this might take some time. After it has been done, and click on download to download your videos. Now let's have a preview of the final output and see you in the next video.
Informative facts about crocodiles. Meet the crocodile, one of nature's most feared predators. These prehistoric creatures have been on Earth for over 200 million years. They're not just survivors, they're successful hunters. Armed with 60 to 110 razor-sharp teeth, they're equipped for the kill. Crocs are also strong swimmers, thanks to their powerful tail. They can reach speeds up to 20 miles per hour in water. Did you know? Crocodiles have the strongest bite in the animal kingdom, yet their jaw muscles to open are surprisingly weak. Lastly, these fascinating creatures are great mothers. They guard their eggs fiercely and carry their young in their jaws. Amazing, isn't it?